Okay, hello everyone. So today we're putting the struts on a shocks springs on a 2007 Buick Terraza. It's already on. Use a 21 millimeter here too. Remove the tire, the wheel. I think it had a 15 or 17 here, so it's not a big deal. And three nuts up there. Lights, light over here. Okay, there you can see one back there, one on the wrench. It's already done. It takes about 15 minutes once you get the hang of it. So it'll be the same thing as the Chevy Impala's 2008, 2005, 2010s. All right. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. That will help a lot. Thank you.